Every spring, opening the pool feels like the start of a new season. But for a lot of pool owners, it also comes with a long list of expenses. The opening clean, routine maintenance, and service visits that can add up month after month. From that first deep clean to keeping things cleared throughout the season, maintaining a pool can quickly turn into a lot of work or a lot of service bills. So this year, I wanted to see if there was a smarter way to keep the pool clean without relying on constant service visits. That's where the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner comes in. Instead of manually cleaning the pool or scheduling regular service visits, this cleaner is designed to handle most of the routine work automatically. The idea behind it is pretty simple, focusing on the things that actually matter, making it easy to use, durable, and powerful enough to keep the pool clean all season long. Getting started is straightforward. After charging the unit, all you have to do is place it into the pool and start the cleaning cycle. There's no complicated setups or extra hoses to deal with. Just drop it in and it gets to work. One of the things that stood out right away is how the cleaner moves through the pool. Instead of moving randomly, it follows a structured S-pattern path that helps it systematically cover the entire pool floor. That organized movement helps to reduce missed spots and makes the cleaning process more efficient. When the cleaner encounters heavier debris, it can also activate turbo mode to increase suction power. This allows it to pick up everything from small particles to larger debris like leaves and dirt that tend to collect on the bottom of the pool. The stronger suction also helps clean areas like the pool edges and corners where debris often builds up. But cleaning the floor is only part of the job. The iGarden cleaner is designed to handle the entire pool, including the walls and waterline. It climbs up the pool walls and scrubs along the waterline where oils, sunscreen, and other debris can accumulate over time. Having one robot that can clean all of those areas helps eliminate a lot of the manual brushing that usually comes with pool maintenance. To handle different pool surfaces and shapes, the cleaner uses caterpillar tracks that provide strong traction. This allows it to move across vinyl, fiberglass, or even concrete surfaces while climbing the walls and navigating slopes or steps without slipping. One of the biggest differences I noticed is how long it runs on a single charge. It can clean for up to 6 hours straight, which means it's able to handle the entire pool in one go. There's no stopping halfway through to pull it out, no waiting around for it to recharge, and no coming back to areas that were missed. It just keeps going until the job is done. And while the cleaner is doing its job underwater, the best part is that you don't have to think about it. Instead of spending time brushing or vacuuming the pool, you can actually enjoy the space. Whether it's relaxing poolside, spending time outside, or just enjoying a clear pool without all the extra work. Another feature that makes things easier is the built-in AI timer. It's built-in scheduling. You can schedule the cleaner to run automatically every 24, 48, or 72 hours. You can also set it to clean automatically at regular intervals, so the pool stays consistently maintained without having to think about it. Even if you're away for a few days, it continues running on its own schedule, keeping everything clean in the background. So instead of coming back to a pool that needs work, it's already taken care of. The cleaner also offers up to 6 hours of runtime on a single charge, which is longer than many comparable cleaners. That extended runtime allows it to handle both small or large pools in a single cleaning cycle without needing to stop or recharge midway. And the 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support is designed to be a reliable, long-term solution for pool maintenance. After the cleaning cycle finishes, removing debris is easy. The cleaner has a large capacity basket designed to capture leaves, dirt, or any other debris. When it's full, you simply remove the basket, empty it, rinse it off, and it's ready for the next cleaning cycle. The larger capacity also means fewer interruptions during cleaning. After one full cleaning cycle, the difference in the pool is noticeable. The floor is clear of debris, the walls are clean, and the water line is scrubbed. It's the kind of result that usually takes a lot more time and effort to achieve manually. So instead of paying for cleaning again and again throughout the season, a robotic cleaner like this can handle most of the routine work for you. And right now, it's available at 25% off, plus an extra 5% discount through the link below. So if you've been looking for a smarter, more hands-on way to keep your pool clean, then this is the solution. At the end of the day, it really comes down to convenience. It runs for up to 6 hours, so it can clean the entire pool without stopping halfway through. It covers everything from the floors to the walls and the water line, so there's less manual work. And the ability to schedule cleanings automatically keeps things consistent, even when you're not around. The iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner takes a lot of the effort out of keeping your pool clean, so that all that's left to do is enjoy.